China isn't just buying gold for itself, it's encouraging citizens to do the same. That push can signal trends that affect global demand and investment opportunities. The Why Precious Metals Guide points out that China has been actively encouraging its citizens to buy gold, making it easier than ever to purchase. This isn't just a cultural shift, it is a strategic move that can influence global demand. For investors, it's an important trend to watch. When a country as large as China motivates widespread gold ownership, it can help maintain or increase the value of the metal worldwide. The PDF shows how observing these policies can inform decisions about your own retirement portfolio. And this PDF is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to give you a comprehensive view before making investment decisions. I've linked this guide in the description. You can download it for free and see how global policies, like China's push for gold ownership, could affect your retirement strategy. You can find the link in the description.